Okay, so here's a little refresher on distributive property. So with distributive property, typically what you're going to have is a number outside of parentheses, at least for our purposes. And when they say distributive property, what they mean is you're going to distribute this 3 to all the terms here, and you're going to do it via multiplication. So easiest way, what I recommend, is draw a little half circle here. This lets you know that you're going to multiply this term right here, which is a positive 3, times this term right here, which is a minus 4x. Well, when I look at the signs here, this is a positive 3. When there's nothing there, I assume it's positive. Just look at the signs alone. You've got a positive times a negative. Well, when the signs are different, plus times minus, when the signs are different, the answer is negative or minus. And 3 times 4x is going to be 12x. So first I figure out the sign, then I work with the numbers and variables. Now I have to take this 3 and multiply by the other term. Positive, look at the sign here, right in front of it, we have a positive there. When the signs are the same, the answer is positive, and 3 times 3 is 9. So there's our answer. Let's take a look at another one of these. Let's do 5 times x minus 3r. Okay, right here. Both of these are positive, so I know it's going to be positive, and 5 times x is 5x. Right here, the signs are different. Positive times negative, different signs, so I put a minus. And 5 times 3r, that's going to be 15 r's. Okay, let's try another one. 1/3 times x minus, let's do 18. Okay, so same sign, so it's positive. 1/3 times x is going to be 1/3 x. Different signs, so I have a minus. And 1/3 times 18. If you can't do this in your head, that's fine. I know that I'm multiplying 1/3 times 18. So let's start by writing that. Now, to make this into a fraction, I'm going to put it over 1. Now, remember how we multiply fractions. We go straight across, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So, I still have my 1/3 x minus, that part didn't change. On top, I have 1 times 18, which is 18. On bottom, 3 times 1, which is 3. Now, all I have to do is simplify this. So, let's see. I've got 1/3 x minus, and 18 divided by 3. Well, 18 divided by 3 is 6. And there's our answer. All right, let's try another one here. Let's do -3 times -2x minus 5. Okay, so here, signs are the same.
Please come to the front office.
Signs are the same, and when the signs are the same, it's going to be positive, and 3 times 2x is going to be 6x. And for those of you that didn't catch that, if you're wondering, how come that's not negative or a minus? Well, look here. Minus, minus, the signs are the same, so we have a positive result. Right here, same thing. Minus times minus. Same sign, positive. 3 times 5, 15. And that is distributive property.